Hi everyone! In this video, we will demonstrate how to install an SSL certificate on OpenLiteSpeed on CentOS or Linux. Use an SSL certificate generator like SSL Dragon to create a certificate signing request or CSR and private key. Make sure to use your domain name, yourdomain.com, as the common name and your email address, info@yourdomain.com, in the email address field. Keep the private key safe and share the CSR with SSL Dragon to get the certificate, the CRT. Once you receive the CRT, save the private key and CRT files in .key and .crt formats respectively. You can store the .key file in /root/conf/cert/keyname.key and the CRT file in /root/conf/cert/certificate-name.crt, but you can choose any name that suits your domain. Log into the OpenLiteSpeed console using your credentials, as shown in the video. Click on the Listener tab in the left panel. Create a new listener for port 443 to enable SSL mapping. Open the configuration for the new listener by clicking on it. Switch to the SSL configuration tab, as shown in the video. Upload the respective CRT and private key files that you saved earlier in /root/conf/cert/certificate-name.crt and /root/conf/cert/keyname.key respectively. Add the required SSL protocols as shown in the video. Create a new virtual host to assign a domain to your website. In the video, we use an example, but you can choose any website for which you want to configure SSL. Follow the steps shown in the video to add a new host, configure the website, and map the domain. Restart the server by clicking on the green button, as shown in the video, to reflect all the changes. Check the newly created listener on the dashboard. Finally, open the website's URL in a browser and click on the padlock to view the imported SSL certificate information. Thank you for watching this video. You can save 10% on any SSL certificate order on SSL Dragon by using the promo code YouTube10 at checkout.